If you've ever felt that sting of another surprise repair bill, this video is your sign to stop the madness. Because today, we're counting down the 8 most reliable SUVs to buy in 2026. Vehicles built to last, trusted by real owners, and proven to keep you out of the repair shop. No fluff, no gimmicks, just rock-solid rides that'll carry you and your family for years with peace of mind. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive straight into the list. Number 8. Hyundai Tucson. Estimated starting price around $28,500. The Tucson has quietly become one of the best balanced compact SUVs on the market. In the past few years, Hyundai has stepped up its reliability game in a big way, and for 2026, that continues. The Tucson's 2.5-litre 4-cylinder engine is smooth and proven. Hyundai's 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty adds massive peace of mind. And when you compare that with the competition, you realize you're paying less for a vehicle that often lasts longer. Inside, you get a modern cabin that feels more expensive than it is. And because Hyundai has spent the last decade improving build quality, the interior materials, electronics and suspension systems tend to age gracefully. If you're after value, dependability and style, the Tucson deserves a serious look. Number 7. Kia Sportage. Estimated starting price around $29,000. Sharing much of its DNA with the Tucson, the 2026 Kia Sportage continues Kia's hot streak in reliability. Kia used to be seen as a budget brand, but those days are long gone. Their newer SUVs are impressively durable. The Sportage's hybrid and plug-in hybrid versions have been tested and refined, and owner feedback shows they handle daily commuting with minimal issues. The engines are efficient, the transmissions are well-tuned, and Kia's maintenance costs remain lower than average. Inside you get a sharp-looking dashboard, great safety tech, and that 10-year warranty backing it all up. For buyers who want a stylish SUV that'll last, the Sportage is one of the smartest bets in 2026. Number 6. Mazda CX-5. Estimated starting price around $30,000. Mazda keeps things simple, and that's why their vehicles last. The 2026 CX-5 continues to use Mazda's tried-and-true naturally aspirated engines, which means fewer complicated turbo parts to fail. Owners love how solid this SUV feels even after years of driving. The build quality is almost luxury grade, the handling is sharp, and the reliability numbers are consistently strong. The CX-5 may not have the biggest cabin, but it's built for people who value quality over gimmicks. If you want an SUV that'll keep running long after the payments are done, this is it. Number 5. Subaru Forester. Estimated starting price around $28,000. Here's a model that's quietly dominated reliability rankings for years. The Subaru Forester has built its reputation on rugged simplicity. For 2026, it remains one of the safest and most dependable choices for anyone needing year-round traction and confidence. Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system is legendary for a reason. Combine that with a well-balanced boxer engine and conservative design, and you get an SUV that's easy to maintain and built to last. Even in rough climates, Foresters tend to hold up extremely well, from rust resistance to drivetrain durability. And with solid resale value, it's the kind of car that takes care of you financially and mechanically. Number 4. Honda CR-V. Estimated starting price around $32,000. You knew this one was coming. The Honda CR-V is practically a synonym for reliability at this point. It's one of the most popular SUVs ever made, and it earns that popularity the hard way, by rarely breaking. The 2026 CR-V carries over Honda's efficient engines and excellent hybrid setup. The hybrid version offers more power, better fuel economy, and fewer moving parts thanks to its simplified transmission system. What sets Honda apart is engineering discipline. They refine rather than reinvent. You won't find wild experiments under the hood, and that's why you rarely find owners complaining about mechanical failures. If you want a buy it and forget it SUV, the CR-V continues to be one of the best choices in America. Number 3. Toyota RAV4. Estimated starting price around $33,000. No list of reliable SUVs is complete without the RAV4. Toyota has built an empire on bulletproof reliability, and the RAV4 is the cornerstone. For 2026, Toyota keeps things familiar. Proven hybrid systems, strong resale value, and a design that prioritizes longevity. The hybrid RAV4 not only saves you money on gas, but the electric motors actually reduce stress on the gasoline engine, meaning less wear and tear over time. Toyota's engineering is focused on consistency, and that's exactly what you get. A predictable, low-maintenance vehicle with some of the best long-term reliability data in the industry. If you want an SUV that you'll probably still be driving in 2036, the RAV4 is a top contender. Number 2, Toyota Highlander. Estimated starting price around $41,000. Moving up a size, the Toyota Highlander takes everything that's great about the RAV4 and scales it up. You get 3 rows of seating, rock-solid powertrains, and Toyota's bulletproof hybrid options. The Highlander consistently ranks near the top for SUVs likely to reach 250,000 miles or more. Its hybrid models in particular have some of the lowest ownership costs over a decade. The 2026 Highlander refines its interior and adds tech updates, but what matters most stays the same: reliability and build quality that borders on obsessive. This SUV feels like it was designed by engineers who hate the idea of you visiting a mechanic. Yes, it's pricier, but if you plan to keep your vehicle long-term, the Highlander will pay for itself in durability. Number 1, Toyota 4Runner, estimated starting price around $47,000. Here it is, the king of reliability. The Toyota 4Runner has earned legendary status for one simple reason: it refuses to die. The 2026 model keeps its rugged body-on-frame design, the same philosophy used in trucks. That means it's overbuilt for most people's daily needs, but that's exactly why it lasts so long. You can find 4Runners from 15 or even 20 years ago still driving like champs. Owners love that they can trust it in harsh conditions, long road trips, or just hauling kids to school. It's simple, tough, and easy to repair if something does go wrong. It's not the most fuel-efficient SUV, but when your main concern is never being stranded, the 4Runner stands tall above the rest. Honorable mentions. Let's quickly shout out a few models that nearly made the cut. Toyota Venza, a hybrid-only SUV that's stylish, efficient, and shares the RAV4's bulletproof reliability. Honda Passport, a mid-size SUV built for those who want a bit more off-road ability without sacrificing dependability. Mazda CX-50, the adventurous sibling to the CX-5, offering the same robust engineering with extra utility. All 3 of these are excellent choices if they fit your budget or needs better. Why these SUVs are so reliable? Let's take a second to talk about what makes these 8 SUVs rise above the rest. First, the brands themselves: Toyota, Honda, Mazda, Subaru, Hyundai, and Kia. All prioritize long-term quality over short-term flash. They use proven engines, conservative designs, and parts that have been tested over millions of miles. Second, these SUVs are simple where it counts. You won't find excessive turbocharging, crazy transmission experiments, or overcomplicated electronics in most of them. That means fewer potential failure points. Third, their maintenance costs are predictable and affordable. Regular oil changes, brake jobs, and fluid services will keep these vehicles running smoothly for years with no expensive surprises. Reliability isn't magic. It's about consistency, good design, and discipline from the manufacturer. And these SUVs have all 3. Which SUV should you buy? If you need something compact and affordable, go with the Hyundai Tucson, Kia Sportage, or Mazda CX-5. If you want an all-weather daily driver, the Subaru Forester is your champ. If you prefer the most balanced all-around performer, choose the Honda CR-V or Toyota RAV4. If you need space for a family and long-term peace of mind, the Toyota Highlander is unbeatable. And if you want a tank that'll outlive your mortgage, the Toyota 4Runner sits on the throne. At the end of the day, reliability isn't just about saving money, it's about trust. These SUVs don't just get you from A to B, they become part of your life, year after year, without drama. Buying a reliable SUV means freedom. Freedom from the shop, from uncertainty, and from expensive surprises. It means your car works for you, not against you. So whether you're a first-time buyer or looking to upgrade in 2026, these 8 SUVs are your safest bets. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more car breakdowns, and comment below. Which of these SUVs would you pick and why? Until next time, drive safe, take care of your ride, and remember, the best car is the one you don't have to fix.